A sleepy day for a sore throat. I have to get my tonsils out. I am not happy about it, but I am tired of my throat hurting. I will go to the hospital 2 hours before my surgery. My mother will go with me. The nurses will take my temperature. They will check my blood pressure. They will make sure that I am ready for my operation. I will wear a white gown. I will be wheeled down the hall to the operating room. I can't have anything to eat or drink. My mother will walk with me. Then she will wave goodbye. The doctor and the nurses will be busy. They will be getting ready for my surgery. The doctor will say hello to me. He will tell me that he is going to put me to sleep. I will close my eyes and count backwards from 10. I will only say 10, 9, and then I will be asleep. When I wake up, the surgery will be over. My throat will hurt, but my mother will be there.